Hello friends, here I am to share amazing tip for cleaning a cooker with zero cost and no scrubbing. It's absolutely easy, eco-friendly and no chemicals used. You can see how sparkling and spotless it gets without scrubbing. This way you can as well get rid of any smell if eggs break by chance. If you notice, as you use the egg cooker for boiling eggs, the steel heating plate gets stubborn stains and burn marks easily. So here is my trick. I'm going to use lime peels. Acts as nice cleaning agent with natural acidity. You can use lemon peels too. Take one lime peel, cut into small pieces. Keep peels on heating plate. For more burnt marks, you can add quarter teaspoon baking soda. As you see, this is with lime peels only. Add less than half a cup water. Keep the egg tray on lid. Turn on the egg cooker. Let it run for 5 minutes or entire cycle. You can try this while boiling eggs too. Once it's turned off, no need to wait for cooling. You can see it's already cleaned. Take off the lime pieces out. Wipe with a kitchen tissue or cloth. Then wipe with a wet tissue. As you see, it sparkles shiny like new without any scrubbing, at zero cost and no effort. Hope you find it useful. See you again with many more amazing tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.